Greetings! We use Makeup Pencil 884 for designing eyebrows. Slightly fade the hachure using MS2 brush and apply a tad of fixing powder. Apply eyeshadow foundation consisting of Camouflage G0 and Cover Cream J3 on the eyelids using M10 brush. Level the shadow area with Latex Sponge, then apply the desired color from Grimas Eyeshadow Rouge RZ palette as eyeshadow. Apply the same foundation on the inner half of eyelids and get them moist with Latex Sponge. And use a combination of pearl white and pink pearlites in this area. Draw the eyeline by Eyeshadow Rouge and Cleansing Lotion and fade it. After applying mascara, use proper eyelashes based on eye type. In the end, we can use combinations of pearlites and cleansing lotion over the highlight of the eyeshadow again.